Welcome to the AI for Good neural network, a networking community platform powered by artificial intelligence. My name is Anna, the AI for Good neural network avatar. Welcome to the lobby. To begin building your neural network connections, take the AI Smart Matching quiz. Simply select how you prefer to learn, build, and connect to find your smart matches. You can find your new connection requests in the Contacts tab. We encourage you to chat, video call with your connections, and schedule meetings into your personal agenda. Let's explore the AI for Good online program. Our smart suggestions provide you with a personalized learning experience based on your chosen SDGs. Don't forget to add upcoming events to your agenda to be notified about start times and stay organized. Our full event program with hundreds of archived videos is also available on demand. Attending live AI for Good events on the neural network is easy. Simply use the Stages tab, or select an event to be guided to the main stage. During live events you can connect, ask questions, interact, and find important resources on our live video wall. Stimulate your senses in our interactive exhibit halls. Here you can view our visual poster boards, watch videos, read the latest publications, and chat to our representatives. Our colleagues will be happy to answer any further questions you may have in the Help tab. Welcome to the neural network. Let's shape the future of AI for Good.